Beneath this dense green canopy of tall, stately treetops, the sun, searching for a place to shed its light, caresses the leaves and the forest floor below. Birds sing, monkeys cackle, wings flap. Something somewhere hisses, leaves rustle, and crystal streams murmur as they meander beneath the canopy. Everything in harmony. That is the symphony of the tropical rainforest. They are nature's own tropical greenhouses. Covering a mere 6% of the Earth's surface, rainforests are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species. Additionally, the tropical rainforest, the kind found here in the Caribbean, is the Earth's oldest living ecosystem. Two basic conditions are needed for formation and existence of tropical rainforests: warm temperatures and plenty of rainfall. The tropical rainforest has three layers: the canopy, the understory, and the forest floor. The top layer, the canopy, is made of the treetops, which can grow to well over 200 feet high. Up here in the canopy, one can easily find animals such as apes, monkeys, snakes, and tropical birds. Smaller animals like anteaters dwell in the understory layer. Here can be found many small trees and shrubs. Down on the forest floor, the soil is very poor, since it is only the top few inches of the soil that is fertile. The richness of this thin top layer results from the decomposing plants and other biological activity taking place between microorganisms. However, the subsoil is simply infertile clay. Mainly insects live in this layer, though it is quite common to see large mammals such as jaguars prowling about on the forest floor. At daytime, the rainforest can be amazingly peaceful and quiet. So quiet that you can actually hear a single leaf falling. During the day, the rainforest remains a den of tranquility. Two-thirds of the world's plant species can be found in the tropical rainforests. The lush greenery of Guyana's Iwakrama forest makes it only one of 4 last remaining pristine forests of the world. Over 1,500 species of flora have been identified in this forest, which covers a vast expanse of 1 million acres.
If you look at the Guyana rainforest, and in fact look at the rainforest within the Guyana Shield and compare it to tropical rainforests across the world, we are actually one of just about 5 tropical rainforests that are still considered to be intact. Most of the other areas of tropical rainforests have actually been very severely denuded. One of the reasons for that, it's not because we have not had commercial activities, but I think there are 2 basic reasons for it. One is the relative remoteness of these rainforests, and secondly, the nature of the forest types. The commercial forestry activities that have been done have focused really on just about I'd say about 40% of the species of trees which could have actually been harvested commercially. And in a sense that has been a good thing, because instead of harvesting 40 different species, what you've been concentrating on is harvesting about, just about 16 different species of trees.
Our rainforests are not only full of diverse plants, but animals as well, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth, like this black caiman, the world's largest caiman, or this giant river turtle, the world's largest freshwater turtle. These 2 rare creatures can be found in Guyana's Iwakrama, along with America's largest cat, the jaguar. Iwakrama also contains the highest numbers of fish and bat species for any area its size. This healthy animal population that includes 500 bird species, 200 mammals, and 150 species of amphibians and reptiles helps to make the region a prime conservation and ecotourism area within Guyana and the Guyana Shield. Humans also inhabit the rainforests, most of them indigenous peoples like the Makushi people of the Iwakrama forest. Unparalleled in their untold biodiversity, our tropical rainforests are extremely important to the Caribbean and the world. Besides providing an important habitat for half of the world's species, tropical rainforests play a significant role in maintaining regular rainfall. Each year, the Blue Mountains receive more than 300 inches of rain, providing water for nearly half of Jamaica's population. The plants of the rainforest regulate global weather. By absorbing carbon dioxide, they help deter the greenhouse effect. From food to fuel to shelter to jobs to medicines, our rainforests help meet basic human needs. They have given us chemicals used to treat leukemia and other cancers, arthritis, hypertension, glaucoma, skin diseases, and even heart conditions. The United States National Cancer Institute has identified that 75% of the plants used in cancer treatment are found in the rainforest. Yet, despite their unquestionable importance to the global ecosystem and human existence, our rainforests are being destroyed at an alarming rate. Scientists estimate that rainforests are being destroyed at a rate of 6,000 acres every hour. The primary cause of this destruction is human activities. Logging and large-scale harvesting of lumber destroys the forest and the plants and animals that live there, rendering some species at risk of extinction and causing severe disruption to the Earth's ecosystem. The soil of the rainforest, because of its very thin fertile layer, is only good as rainforest soil when protected by the canopy. When the trees are cleared off, the soil, now exposed to the harsh sun, erodes quickly and soon only a dry desert remains. And there are other contributors to the rainforest's destruction. Slash and burn agriculture, forest fires, over-exploitation of our forest resources, and urban development are some of the most common culprits. Tourism, while it fosters increasing awareness of the value of rainforests and has economic benefits, also causes disturbances in the forest ecology, which contributes to the disappearance of our rainforests. Many Caribbean countries, through governmental and non-governmental agencies, have taken steps to protect our rainforests, primarily through the establishment and maintenance of forest reserves where destructive activities are prohibited. As a matter of fact, the world's oldest environmentally protected rainforest is none other than the one found in Tobago. It was made a British Crown Reserve back in 1765, and in 1776, laws were put in place to protect it. We too can help reduce the rate of destruction by being more considerate about how we consume forest products, and by supporting local programs that are committed to protecting the environment, such as nature reserves. How wonderful and majestic are the rainforests of the Caribbean, with trees rising so tall like green giants in their own forest kingdom. Every creature, every plant, every root, every rambling stream exudes the unmistakable power of nature, each holding its own story of life and mysteries untold.